Electric cars with insane instant torque. Some cars are quick, but others feel like they break reality the moment you touch the accelerator. From silent luxury sedans to full electric hypercars. These machines don't just move fast, they deliver power instantly, no delay, no build-up, just pure torque hitting all at once. And as we go down this list, you'll see everything from refined speed to machines that feel almost impossible to control. (10) Rimac Nevera. The Rimac Nevera is one of them. From the outside, it looks smooth and controlled. Clean lines, a low stance, and a design that feels modern without trying too hard. It doesn't look aggressive in a loud way, but there's a quiet intensity to it that's hard to ignore. Step inside and everything reflects that same idea. The interior is minimal, precise, and completely driver-focused. No distractions, no unnecessary complexity, just you and a machine built for extreme speed. And the moment you press the throttle, everything changes instantly. There's no engine noise building up, no delay, just an immediate surge of power that hits all at once. Underneath, it uses a quad-motor electric powertrain producing 1,914 horsepower. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.85 seconds, delivering a level of speed that feels almost unreal. The way it delivers that power is what makes it truly insane. The torque comes in instantly, pushing the car forward with a force that feels sharp, constant, and relentless. It doesn't build speed the traditional way, it jumps into it. And despite all that power, it remains incredibly controlled, thanks to its advanced torque vectoring system that manages each wheel independently. But what truly makes this car special isn't just the performance, it's the rarity. Only a limited number of units were ever built, making it one of the most exclusive electric hypercars ever created. Finding one today is nearly impossible, and experiencing one puts you in a completely different league. This isn't just a car you drive, it's something you never forget. 9. Tesla Model S Plaid. Not every car that looks simple is actually slow. And the Tesla Model S Plaid proves that in the most shocking way possible. From the outside, it looks clean, minimal, and almost understated. Smooth body lines, no aggressive vents, and a design that feels more like a luxury sedan than a performance machine. It doesn't try to look extreme, and that's exactly what makes it so surprising. It doesn't just look normal, it hides something unbelievable. Step inside and the interior continues that same approach. A large central screen, a futuristic steering setup, and a cabin that feels more like technology than tradition. No clutter, no unnecessary buttons, but everything changes the moment you press the accelerator. There's no warning, no build-up, just instant power. At its core, this car produces 1,020 horsepower and around 1,050 pound-feet of torque, delivering performance that feels almost unreal. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.99 seconds, making it one of the quickest production cars ever built. The way it delivers that speed feels completely different. Torque arrives instantly, launching the car forward with a force that feels sharp, immediate, and almost shocking the first time you experience it. It doesn't feel like it's gaining speed, it feels like it's jumping straight into it. And what makes it even more impressive is how effortlessly it does all of this while still being practical and comfortable for everyday use. But what truly makes this car special isn't just the performance, it's the contrast. A quiet, comfortable sedan that can outperform some of the fastest supercars in the world. This isn't just quick for an electric car, it completely redefines what a sedan is capable of. 8. Pininfarina Battista. From the outside, it looks elegant, smooth, and beautifully sculpted. Every curve feels intentional, every line flows naturally, and the design carries a sense of luxury that immediately sets it apart. It doesn't look aggressive in a traditional way. It looks refined, almost delicate. But that elegance hides something incredibly powerful underneath. Step inside and the interior reflects that same philosophy. Premium materials, a futuristic layout, and a driver-focused cockpit that feels both luxurious and performance-oriented at the same time. Everything is designed to feel high-end, but still connected to the driving experience. No unnecessary clutter, just a perfect balance between comfort and control. But the moment you press the accelerator, everything changes instantly. There's no warning, no build-up, just a sudden surge of power that arrives all at once. At its core, this machine produces 1,900 horsepower and around 1,696 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.79 seconds, making it one of the fastest accelerating cars ever created. The way it delivers that power is what makes it truly insane. The torque comes in instantly, pushing the car forward with a force that feels sharp, smooth, and incredibly intense at the same time. It doesn't climb into speed, it launches into it effortlessly. And despite all that power, it still feels composed, controlled, and incredibly precise, almost like the car knows exactly how much power to deliver at every moment. But what truly makes this car special isn't just the performance. It's the combination of beauty and brutality. This isn't just speed, it's performance wrapped in elegance. Some cars look calm on the outside, but the moment they move, everything changes instantly. 7. Lotus Evija. The Lotus Evija is one of those machines. From the outside, it looks unlike anything else on the road. Sharp lines, dramatic curves, and those signature tunnel-like rear openings that make it feel more like a concept car than something real. It doesn't just look futuristic, it looks almost unreal. Every detail feels purposeful, designed not just for style, but for performance. Step inside, and the interior continues that same extreme philosophy. Minimal, lightweight, and completely focused on the driver. Carbon fiber surfaces, a race-inspired steering wheel, and a cockpit that feels more like a hypercar than a traditional road car. Everything changes instantly. There's no build-up, no hesitation. At its core, this machine produces 1,972 horsepower and around 1,253 pound-feet of torque, delivering performance that feels completely beyond normal. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.0 seconds, launching forward with a force that feels sharp, aggressive, and incredibly intense. The way it delivers that power is what makes it truly special. The torque comes in instantly, pushing the car forward with a relentless surge that doesn't fade. It feels like it's being pulled forward by something unstoppable. And despite all that power, it remains precise and controlled, staying planted even under extreme acceleration. But what truly makes this car special isn't just the performance. It's how far it pushes the idea of what an electric hypercar can be. If you enjoy cars that look normal but perform like monsters, hit like and subscribe for more. 6. BMW i7 M70 Drive. It doesn't try to look like a hypercar, it looks like luxury first. But there's more to it than that. It doesn't just look refined, it hides serious performance underneath. Step inside and the interior takes things to another level. Soft materials, ambient lighting, and a cabin filled with advanced technology make it feel more like a luxury lounge than a performance car. Large displays, rear entertainment screens, and a quiet, comfortable environment remind you that this car was built for more than just speed. But the moment you press the accelerator, everything changes. There's no drama, no loud engine, just a smooth and immediate surge of power. At its core, this machine produces 650 horsepower and around 811 pound-feet of torque, delivering performance that feels effortless and strong at the same time. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, which is incredibly quick for something this large and luxurious. It doesn't feel like it's rushing. It feels like it's gliding into speed. And that's what makes it different. This isn't about raw aggression. It's about controlled, effortless performance wrapped in complete luxury. But what truly makes this car special isn't just the speed, it's the balance. A full-size luxury sedan that can move like a performance machine without losing its comfort. This isn't just fast for what it is. It completely changes what you expect from a luxury EV. 5. Mercedes-AMG EQS 53. The Mercedes-AMG EQS 53 somehow manages to do both at the same time. From the outside, it looks smooth, rounded, and almost futuristic. The flowing shape, clean lines, and signature lighting give it a presence that feels modern and refined rather than aggressive. It doesn't try to look like a traditional performance car, but there's something about it that tells you it's more than just luxury. It doesn't just look advanced, it feels engineered for something deeper. Step inside, and the interior takes that feeling even further. A massive curved display stretches across the dashboard, surrounded by premium materials and ambient lighting that create a calm, high-end atmosphere. No harsh edges, no distractions. Just a space designed to isolate you from the outside world. At its core, this machine produces up to 751 horsepower and around 752 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, which is incredibly quick for a car focused on luxury. The torque comes in instantly, pushing the car forward with a force that feels seamless and continuous. It doesn't hit you suddenly. It builds in a smooth, controlled wave that keeps pulling harder as you go. And despite all that speed, it remains incredibly stable and composed, holding the road with confidence. But what truly makes this car special isn't just the performance, it's the dual personality. A quiet, ultra-luxury sedan that can instantly transform into a powerful performance machine the moment you ask for it. This isn't just fast, it's refined speed at its highest level. 4. Porsche Taycan Turbo S. The smooth curves, aggressive stance and signature design give it a presence that feels sporty without being overdone. It doesn't try to look futuristic in an extreme way. It stays true to its identity, and that's what makes it stand out. It doesn't just look fast, it looks controlled. Step inside, and the interior continues that same philosophy. A clean, driver-focused layout with multiple displays, a low seating position, and a cockpit that feels connected to the road. Everything is placed with purpose, no unnecessary distraction. But the moment you press the accelerator, everything changes instantly. There's no delay, no hesitation, just immediate response. At its core, this machine produces up to 750 horsepower and around 774 pound-feet of torque, delivering performance that feels sharp and responsive. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds, launching forward with a force that feels strong but perfectly controlled. The way it delivers that power is what makes it special. The torque comes in instantly, but instead of feeling wild or unpredictable, it feels precise, balanced, and incredibly refined. It doesn't just push forward, it grips the road and pulls you through every bit of acceleration with confidence. And that's where it feels different. This isn't just about raw speed, it's about how well that speed is controlled. Every movement feels intentional, every bit of power feels usable. But what truly makes this car special isn't just the numbers. It's the driving experience. A machine that combines electric performance with the precision Porsche is known for. This isn't just an electric sports car, it's a Porsche at its core, and you can feel that in every second of the drive. 3. Audi RS e-tron GT. Some cars don't try to dominate with raw aggression. Instead, they rely on balance, and the Audi RS e-tron GT does exactly that. From the outside, it looks sleek, low, and perfectly proportioned. The wide stance, sharp lines, and signature Audi design give it a presence that feels both sporty and refined at the same time. It doesn't look overdone. It looks complete. It doesn't just stand out. It fits perfectly into its own identity. Step inside, and the interior reflects that same balance. High-quality materials, a clean dashboard, and a driver-focused layout create an environment that feels both premium and purposeful. Everything is easy to reach, easy to understand, and built around the driving experience. But the moment you press the accelerator, everything changes instantly. There's no delay, no hesitation, just a smooth and immediate surge of power. At its core, this machine produces up to 637 horsepower and around 612 pound-feet of torque, delivering performance that feels strong yet controlled. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. The torque comes in instantly, but instead of feeling aggressive or unpredictable, it feels smooth, progressive, and incredibly refined. It doesn't hit hard. It builds in a clean, controlled wave that keeps pulling forward with confidence. And that's what sets it apart. This isn't about extreme numbers, It's about how well everything works together. But what truly makes this car special isn't just the performance, it's the harmony. This isn't just an electric performance car, it's balance done right. And if you're into machines that combine luxury with insane performance, make sure to subscribe. 2. Lucid Air Sapphire. From the outside, it looks clean, elegant, and almost understated. Smooth body lines, a long silhouette, and a design that feels more focused on luxury than aggression. It doesn't try to look extreme, and that's exactly what makes it so surprising. It doesn't just look refined. Step inside and the interior continues that same idea. Premium materials, a spacious layout, and a cabin that feels calm, modern, and incredibly comfortable. But the moment you press the accelerator, everything changes instantly. There's no build-up, no warning, just an overwhelming surge of power that hits all at once. This machine produces over 1,200 horsepower and around 1,430 pound-feet of torque, delivering performance that feels absolutely unreal. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.89 seconds, making it one of the quickest production sedans ever built. The torque arrives instantly, pushing the car forward with a force that feels violent, immediate, and relentless. It doesn't feel like it's gaining speed. It feels like it's breaking into it. And despite all that power, it remains composed, stable, and incredibly precise, giving you confidence even at extreme speeds. But what truly makes this car special isn't just the performance, it's the contrast. A quiet, luxurious sedan that can outperform some of the fastest hypercars in the world. 1. Ford F-150 Lightning. The wide body, high stance, and practical design make it feel more like a work machine than anything else. It doesn't try to look fast, and that's what makes it so surprising. It doesn't just look tough. Step inside, and the interior feels modern, spacious, and built for everyday use. Large screens, comfortable seating, and a layout that focuses on practicality rather than performance. Everything feels simple and functional, just the way a truck should be. But the moment you press the accelerator, everything changes instantly. At its core, this machine produces up to 580 horsepower and around 775 pound-feet of torque, delivering performance that feels far stronger than you'd expect from a pickup truck. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.0 seconds, which is incredibly quick for something this large and heavy. The way it delivers that power is what makes it so unique. The torque comes in instantly, pushing the truck forward with a strong, steady force that feels heavy but surprisingly quick. It doesn't feel aggressive. It feels powerful in a controlled and confident way. And that's what makes it different. This isn't built to chase supercars. It's built to handle real-world tasks while still delivering serious performance. This isn't just an electric truck. It's a completely new way to experience power in something this practical. And that's the thing about these machines. Each one delivers power in its own unique way. Which one surprised you the most? And which one would you choose? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you enjoy cars that push performance to the limit, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for what's next.